Oh, no Gino Franti today. We actually let him off for good behavior. He's on vacation in Hawaii. Good for him. Having a Mai Tai right now, I hope. So here's your market update of what's going on in the market, especially since the Fed decided not to change their interest rates. What has happened to the markets? Well, one of the things that is affecting the markets is a lot of questionable news, and this is why the Fed didn't make a decision to move the interest rates quite yet. There's a lot of questionable news regarding both domestic and international markets. So, for example, here's a few other items. The jobs report. If you look at this, you can see we've had a little sliding down. We've had a few bad reports. In fact, the last report shows that we've actually adjusted the previous reports down 60,000. So not a good sign for jobs. So what other troubling numbers do we have to be concerned with? Well, the ISM numbers that we showed you, lowest in 2 years. Production index down. New orders are down. Backlog index of inventory is down. Job numbers I showed you is down. Inflationary pressures are actually pretty slow because the wage increase pressures are not happening. We don't have large increases in wages. And then the European yields are down to lowest levels in months, which is pushing investors over to us, and they're buying our bonds, and that's helping interest rates. So let's show you what it's doing to the interest rates. Before I show you that, here's some things that are helping with the economy. This is what, don't get all too nervous. You know, the sky is not falling. We still have good construction spending. Housing has always been one of the precursors to a rebound in the economy, and we're seeing a steady rebound, which is good. We want a steady increase, a steady improvement, not big ups and downs. That's where we get in trouble. So here's another report that will help you see that we're still okay. Consumer confidence. Look at this report. Consumer confidence has been consistently improving. So when we see that number dip, then we need to be concerned. But right now we're looking good, but I do expect this number to start decreasing a little bit just because of the other numbers I showed you. So now let's show you how this is affecting interest rates, all right? So look at this report. The good news is, as you can see from this report, ever since the Fed made a decision, we've had improvement. You see that long channel that waiting for the Fed decision. We had a big trading range. It would not improve too far or go too far away. Once the Fed made a decision, the rates have improved. But we have a new channel. Look at this chart again. This chart basically will show you the new trading range at the top. You can see where it's hitting that top mark. So if you have a great interest rate, make sure you take advantage of it. We don't know if rates are going to improve any more than they are. And these are the best rates we have seen since April. So take advantage of it. So how has this affected the stock market? All right. So look at this chart of the stock market. We are having quite the rally after being down so far from that major correction. It's not a crash, it's a correction. You can see we've had a nice run up, and that has stopped the bonds or interest rates from improving anymore. But be careful. Trust us on this. There's probably going to be another correction. So don't get overly excited about stocks right now. It's good that they're rebounding, but there's probably going to be another correction, or basically you're going to see a lot of the big traders taking some profits out of the market. Now we've had this run up. So be careful, talk to your financial planner, and make sure you plan on seeing us every day. You can get these actually sent to you every day by texting NREC to the number 58885. That's NREC to 58885. It will rise right on your phone. Or go to nrecafe.com and subscribe. You get it in your email. One way or another, you'll be in the know by tuning into the National Real Estate Cafe every day with Don Gatling, and soon to be back, Gino Franti. Have a great day.